Do you have a journal for all your trades? Do you take note of your trades? If you don't, that means that you're not treating the stock market as a business, as your career. That means that you don't know what you're doing. If you found this video, you are lucky. You found me. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then you're missing out. That's all I'm asking, that you subscribe to my channel if you want more free content. I challenge anyone that thinks that knows more than I do about the stock market. Listen to what I'm about to tell you. In every field, in every sport, in every business, there's always the one guy, the one person who becomes the GOAT, the greatest of all times. There's always the one person who dominates the field, the game. He makes it look easy, when in reality it's not. But the stock market is the same thing. It's an amazing, beautiful tool, the stock market as a whole. Because that's where the little soldiers, the mighty dollar goes to work for you. Do you understand that the stock market is the battlefield, and the dollar that you have in your pocket is the soldier that's gonna go and fight for you? But you're the commander in chief, okay? You are the brains. That's how cool and interesting this is. The stock market is amazing. Now, if you never watched any of my videos before, you will notice that I have a different approach to the stock market. I can tell you right now that your charts, your patterns, your candlesticks mean nothing to me. And I mean it. And I mean it. You don't need monitors. You need to simply know what you're doing. And if you're watching this video, you're lucky, because I will hook you up. I will hook you up. I will teach you how to make money. Now, if you watch my videos, and I said it before, you should have $25,000 to day trade. Now, I don't mean that you must have it, but that will unlock a lot of potential, okay? Creativity. You will be able to use the battlefield to the greatest extent. But don't get discouraged though. If you don't have $25,000 yet, and I say it in almost every video, I want you to beg your dad. I want you to beg your grandma. I want you to deliver packages. I want you to wash cars. I want you to do whatever it takes, but I want you to save that amount of money. I want you to save that amount of money. And if that means that you will not go to the mall for the next 3-6 months, whatever it takes. So that's step number one. I wish I had known this years ago, because I wouldn't have wasted my money on a bike, on a video game. I would have saved my money until the goal of $25,000, because that's your ticket to freedom. Why do I say it's the ticket to freedom? And this is hashtag, baby, ticket to freedom. Why do I say this? Well, because when you save that amount and you put it in your broker's account, it could be Robinhood, it could be whatever, it could be whatever broker you use. Once you have that amount in your broker's account, now you can day trade. Listen to this. Once you experience that, your entire mentality about money will change. Your mind will never be the same. Your mind will never be the same, because That's when you realize that if you buy 1,000 shares, and it could be a company that trades at $10, okay? And you buy 1,000 shares, so you invest $10,000. Now the stock price goes up 10 cents. 10 cents. And you make $100. So why would I go out there and work by the hour when all I have to do is find a company that moves 10% a day? I mean 10 cents a day, not 10%. I take that back. I gotta find a company that moves 10 cents a day. All right, and there is plenty of companies that trade and move more than 10 cents a day. There's companies that move $10 a day, like Tesla, for example. You gotta find a company that will guarantee you that if you time it right, if you buy at least at the lowest of the day, you're gonna make $100. Do you understand what I'm saying? That is the day that, although I have nothing against a 9 to 5, that's the day that you can go and say, you know what? Thank you for your opportunity, but it's time for me to move on and I will start my own corporation. If you don't have a journal and you don't keep it, you don't have here target price. Okay, I would like to buy Tesla, but only at 380. Write it down. Tesla, my price, 380. Bam. Okay, when was the last time that it was at 380? Take notes of all of that. That's very important. When is the next important event? When is battery day? When is earnings report? When whatever. Take note of all of that because that will be useful. That's how, listen, my free videos are only for those who want to learn, those who want to be the best in the trade. If you want to be the best trader there is, listen, subtract the audio from this video and listen to it if you want to. Put it on a loop, listen to it every day. Listen to what I'm saying. Forget about me, forget the way I teach, just listen to the words, to the things I'm saying. This will unlock the full potential of the dollar, of money, of the pound, of the euros, whatever currency you use. This will unlock the full potential of currency because I give you some of my currency, and as soon as someone else is willing to pay more, I'll take it back. Boom. I take my dollar back with interest. You understand? You're a dealer. You're a dealer. That's what you are. You're a dealer. If you're not treating your business as a dealer, here you write goals. Here you write when did they release the next iPhone? When was the last crash? When did the market? Everything. Take notes. This is a college. This is your business. This is school. I'm willing to help you. I'm doing it for free, posting these videos online. All you gotta do is subscribe to my channel. You can find me in all social media as StockRumors on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, everywhere. StockRumors. You can find me there. You can send me a message any day of the week. I will reply back. Always do. But listen to the things I'm saying. That's how you unlock the full potential. Options. I will talk about options now. But I gotta make sure that my phone is recording, that it didn't stop recording because I heard something. So allow me 2 seconds, please. Well, my phone is still recording. And now that I got up just to check my phone, I will tell you a secret. I record videos with my phone with my smartphone. It could be anything that you have. If you want to make videos, if you want to put your message out there, you don't need something expensive to do it. Another thing about that, don't spend $1,500 on a phone, my friend. What's up? What's wrong with you? Bad boy. Don't do that. $1,500 on a phone for what? In 3 months, they're announcing the new one, the better one, the faster one, the bigger one. What's wrong with you? $1,500? And every day they make them more and more fragile. You drop your phone, poof, shatters right away. You lose your investment. There is no investment. That's a waste of money. That's not an investment. It gives you nothing. Okay? I'm better off buying a used phone. Okay? 1-2 years old, still good. Although sometimes they want to slow them down. All right? I got you. I'm aware of all that. All right? I'm smart too. Don't think because I make YouTube videos that I don't know what I'm talking about. I do my homework, baby. Write down everything, every idea, every price, every company that you like. Write it down. When was the last time I traded this? When? All of that. Gold, $25,000. I'm teaching you for free. I'm taking very complex terms and I'm explaining them to you in a very simple way. Listen to this video. Options, 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 options. Many people ask me about options. When should I trade options? Make a video about options. Show me how you trade options. Explain me options. I don't understand options. I have something amazing here for you. Amazing here for you, okay? Options, I want you to start. As a matter of fact, if you're new in the stock market and you only have $1,000, this is the juicy part of the video from now on. If you only have $1,000 to invest, that's all you got. Remember, that's all you got to invest, because the number one mistake I made when I first started trading is that I was keeping money in the bank in a savings account that pays 0% a year. And I was only putting like $200-$300 a month in my broker's account because I thought it was safer that way. That was my mistake. So I had more money to invest, but I was only trading with like $2,000-$3,000. And once I discovered the full potential, I was like, I'll never, leave my money in a 0% interest account. I want to invest it all in the stock market. It's amazing. Now, if you only have $1,000, I want you to start by selling puts. Listen, don't buy options. I'm giving you here gold, and I don't talk much about companies because I want my videos to last over time. So if you're watching this video 10 years from now, you can still benefit from this video. Okay, so that's my mentality. Listen, start by selling puts. And let me give you a simple example, because I want to take something very complicated and put it in very simple terms, because that's what a good instructor does. If you're an instructor and you really want to teach in simple terms, don't use complicated words, do it for free, and you'll see. 10, 20 years from now, valuable information. My name is Andy. This is StockRumors. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel. If you make beats and you want to take some of my wording and make it into a mixtape, let's do it and let's make money. I'll share my copyrights. Hit me up, send me a DM. Woo woo, because we are the premium collectors. I will teach you how to be a premium collector, somebody who gets paid every day, every week, constant income. Listen, I have $1,000 to invest, just $1,000. The only thing I can afford is 100 shares that cost me $10 per share. So $10, I buy 100, $1,000 that I have to invest. That's all I have. What should I do? Should I buy them at the market price right now? No, wrong answer. Should I put a limit order? I will give you a better one. So that's wrong answer. Sell a puts contract. How do I do that? Well, let's say the stock price today is $12, but I want to pay $10 for 100 shares, and actually that's the only thing I can afford. So I will sell you a puts contract. Sell, because there's 4 ways you can deal with options. And I'm telling you, want to know about options? I'm telling you right here. There's 4 ways that you can make money with options, but I will teach you how to start. Start by selling, not buying, selling puts. Why? Because options have expiration dates, and there is something called time decay. To tell you in a very simple way, it's like a hot potato. When you buy it, every day is losing value on its own. It's ticking. I buy it, I want to sell it, the other wants to sell it, and it's like a hot potato, because 80% of all options expire worthless. In other words, it's just trash. I'm helping you. This is what you do. I'm the dealer. I want to be the dealer in the stock market. I want to play the game by my rules. You understand what I'm saying? This is serious, baby. This is serious business. I can teach you the most simple things. What's the difference between an amazing player and the greatest of all time? Sometimes it's just a little tweak here and there. Something that the other one does better. And even though this sounds simple, but keeping a journal will make you a lot of money. Because sometimes we forget. That's why I say sometimes the same things in my videos over and over and over again. Listen to what I'm saying, son. I'm trying to help you. Listen. You sell puts, and what you do is you agree with the other person. I agree that if the price drops to $10 or less, I will buy those shares from you, because I'm looking to buy 100 shares at $10. So somebody else has those shares, and you say, I want to buy them from you, and as a matter of fact, you pay me in advance. Bam! I have $1,000. They will lock them in a little box, and I will collect a premium. I'm the premium collector. I'm the premium collector. That's my hashtag, baby. Premium collector. Okay? Because now the hot potato is sticking on someone else's hand. Tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock. Because if by expiration day, the stock price didn't reach $10, they will open the little box, give me my $1,000 back, and I will keep the premium for me. So even if I have $1,000, I haven't purchased anything. It's the only thing I have, and I'm already making money with $1,000, my friend. You wanted options, you wanted tricks, you wanted strategies, you doubt me? Listen to what I'm saying. Listen to what I'm saying. Now, let's say the price did drop to $10 or less. The next day, the market will open and you won't have the $1,000, but instead you will have the 100 shares. at the average cost of $10 because that was the price you agreed upon. Follow me so far? Now I have 100 shares. Okay, that's okay because that was the investment I wanted to make in the first place. But I also kept the premium because I'm a premium collector. Now, what am I gonna do? Sell those shares back to the marketplace? No, no, no. That's not what you do. Now it's time to sell. To sell, because remember, I'm the dealer. I will sell a calls options contract because I already own 100 shares at an average cost of $10. And my suggestion is that you don't sell calls if you don't own already the shares. But I own the 100 shares at $1,000 of my initial investment. And it doesn't matter if the price dropped to $8 and I'm losing $2 per share. This is simple math, baby. This is gold here for free for the universe. I'm putting it out. I'm helping you. All you got to do is subscribe or share this video with someone you care about. Now, let's say, just to make it more interesting, that today the price is $8 per share. I'm losing $2. What should I do? I'm going to sell you a calls contract. So what that means is that we agree, okay, and I will find it because there's many options. I will find a date and a price that makes me break even at $10 per share. It could be in a month, in 3 weeks, in a year, but I want to break even. I will sell you a calls contract. That means that by expiration date, if the price goes back to 10 or more, I will sell you my shares at $10. And I agree upon that price because it makes me break even, but I'm collecting the premium because I'm the premium collector. I'm the dealer. So now, if the price doesn't go back up to $10, I will collect the premium and I will sell you another calls contract again. But if the price did reach $10, I give you the shares back because I'm breaking even and I'm collecting premium from 2 contracts. How you like that? And I do it again and I sell puts again. This is it. Simple. Simple mathematics. I have $1,000. I become a premium collector. Now imagine if you have more money, baby. Imagine if you have more money. Now, if you're a day trader, though, or if the price happens to move in your direction, in your favor, and, for example, I sell you a puts contract that expires in a month, November 6th. It expires in a month, but the price is going up, meaning that the contract that I sold you is losing value. I will buy it back from you at a lower price. Do you understand? Now this is a little bit more advanced, but to make it simple, I slow down trying to find the simplest way to put it. If you see that those numbers turn green and you have a profit of $20, $80, $100, I will buy the contract back from you at a lower price and I will just lock in those profits, plain and simple. You start by selling puts. If you did end up with the shares, then I will sell you a calls contract from which I either break even or collect premium. Plain and simple. Take a notebook. Now, which company should you trade? Well, my friend, trade a company that you know well. And if you can day trade, or if you're not breaking the day trade law and you have some profits on the table, take them. Whoop! And that's it. You wanted more? Subscribe to my channel. I teach all of this for free. Options, baby. If you happen to be watching this video, I put sometimes the best of the content, the juiciest part towards the end. If you're watching now, go back a little bit. This is an amazing trick, strategy for options. I can make you a premium collector from the get-go. So this is it, man. Thank you for watching Bulls and Bears. My name is Andy. This is StockRumors. Please subscribe, share this video with your niece, your uncle, your nephew, your father, your mother, your grandmother, with someone you care about. That's it. I'll see you in the next one.